I'm Mr. C, and we're gonna have some fun doing some science. You too can do some great exciting things with dry ice, water, and a few containers around your house. Guess what time it is? It's science time.
It's science time. It's science time.
As you can see, I have a little handy dandy glove on. It's because today we're gonna be working with some dry ice. Now, dry ice is frozen carbon dioxide. Dry ice is really cool. You have to handle it with care. I've got my UV glove, and that's so I don't burn myself. It sounds weird, but dry ice is negative 110 degrees Fahrenheit versus typical ice, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit when it freezes. So this is super cold, and it'll actually burn your skin cells. So it'll suck the energy right out of your hands, because energy always goes from hot to cold. You can go to your local grocery and pick it up. I paid $1.59 for a pound. Meijer had it, Walmart probably has it, Kroger probably has it, whatever stores you guys have around you probably have it. And what we can do is, in order to break it, I'm gonna use a little hammer, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some water in my graduated cylinder. Excuse me. All right, so I have some warm water. I'm gonna pour in a little bit of warm water, close to 75 ml. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw a piece of dry ice into it. So this is really cool. This is a nice way to be able to handle dry ice at home, and it sets the stage. As you can see behind me, I've got some dry ice going back there as well, in that container, in my Erlenmeyer flask, and also in my little mason jar. So it's a fun way to touch it. You can feel that it's cool, and it's like making your own fog. So I can put my hand here, and when you're working with dry ice, what's really important is that you never have a container that actually caps off without an escape route for the gas, because it will keep generating gas, the carbon dioxide, and it will build pressure and it can actually erupt. So when I'm doing this, it's okay because I have a way for it to escape. And what's really cool is typically you have like ice goes from a solid to a liquid to a gas. The dry ice is skipping that. So it's going straight from its solid state to a gaseous state. Hence we have our fog that is forming right here. So taking the same little thing, and I need to grab another small piece of dry ice. I want to keep going. No, it's stuck. There it goes. Fall. Excellent. That's so cool. You can see it's stuck there. There's like 2 layers bubbling. I'm going to take a little dab of dish soap. It can be Dawn, Joy, whatever your preference is. Just a little bit. Crud. And now I can grab it and I can actually touch it. And it literally will come pouring out. So what's happening is the soap is now capturing the carbon dioxide. Hence, we're getting bubbles. So that's a really cool thing. Ooh, this pan is like super, super duper cold from having that dry ice sit on it. Very cool. So what's happening is we have 2 jars here. Fill this guy up with some water. This guy's been going. I'm gonna add some warm water to it. The warmer the water, the more fog you're gonna generate, because the temperature difference is more dramatic. And so what you're gonna notice is I have blue food coloring in here, and I have just water going in here. So let me grab another piece of ice. Hulking out. That sounds cool. All right. Get this guy going. Get some more going to this guy. Oh, this just was a splatter. So, although the food coloring really isn't making too big of a mess, when it was back there behind me, it was splattering a little bit. And now we've got it going really, really well. So, the one we just did with the graduated cylinder, putting the soap in it, you can do that with this one as well, and let's do that. Just a dabble. I put a lot of soap in the last one. And here it comes. Ah! So once again, it's just overflowing. This would be great to do at home. It's so much fun. This Sunday afternoon, I'm just hanging out, making some videos, and then I can grab the carbon dioxide, and I can just mess with it. I'm not going to put it into this one. We did this earlier. We messed up. It actually will capture the blue food coloring also, get all over you and make a huge mess. So I'm going to recommend, if you're doing the soap bubbles, just stick with the water, have fun with it, touch it, and mess around. This will go for quite a while still. Pretty cool. So once again, we've got our dry ice turning into a gas, bubbling. The soap is catching our dry ice, and this will just keep going and going until there is no more soap left and or everything has quit reacting with one another. This is actually a physical change. So it's still carbon dioxide, nothing's happening to it. It's just being captured. It's just a physical change. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting and fun science that you can do at home with your family. Check it out and make sure you subscribe.
It's science time. It's so much fun. Learning fun for everyone. It's science time. Yes, you best believe. Explore and learn new things here with Mr. C. It's science time. Every day. We know it's awesome. We know it's great. It's science time. So here we go together. Now enjoy the show. Hands are clapping. Join the flow. It's